So I think we all know that the Enviro 400 is probably not everybody's favourite decker that might be interested in these kind of things, but I think there is certainly one thing I do like about them, and it's the fact that some of them, if they're well maintained, or have the gearbox set up in a particular way, are rapid. And I've currently got one on the simulator that has the gearbox matched up to the style that a real one would have in this way. So I'm going to just take it for a quick spin to show you what it can actually do when you absolutely floor it around everywhere. And it is quite fun to drive. It's faster, I think, than some cars you can buy on the market. So let's have a go. It's certainly faster than some of the B9s I've seen on here. You can see the rev counters running pretty high. I think that what sets this apart from the B9s is that they hold the revs a lot better. That might be the only good thing about these, but certainly one thing. The dashboard and the overall ride quality of the Volvo B9 is much better than this thing. It's a bit very cheap and ugly looking in comparison, but it certainly has the wow factor in terms of the acceleration. Slow down for this corner. You can see it's zooming along quite quickly. Almost too quick. I think we're probably breaking the speed limit at the moment. You can see I've given it that bit too much speed, and we're on two wheels in places because I can't actually regain control of it, so oh dear. But I also find that these don't do too bad on hills. Have a look at this. We're going to approach a steep hill. And again, what does it for them is it holds the revs really, really well. It seems to fly up these. That's enough hammer for one day, but yes, I just thought I'd show everybody what this thing can actually do if you make it work hard enough.